Title: Understanding Love, a Message to Broken Souls. In a world often rife with discord and heartache, it becomes increasingly vital to champion the virtues of love and change. Love, in its purest form, transcends barriers and binds us together in a tapestry of shared humanity. Love, like a radiant beacon, illuminates the path towards acceptance and unity. It embraces diversity in all its forms, recognizing that each individual possesses a unique essence worthy of admiration and respect. Through love, we shatter the confines of prejudice and embrace the beauty of our differences. Communication serves as the lifeblood of enduring relationships, nourishing them with understanding and empathy. Love thrives in an environment where dialogue flows freely, unencumbered by the shadows of misunderstanding. By expressing our affection openly and honestly, we forge deeper connections built on trust and mutual admiration. At the core of love lies a profound appreciation for oneself. Self-love forms the bedrock upon which happiness and fulfillment flourish. It is an act of kindness directed inward, acknowledging our worthiness of love and embracing our inherent value. Through self-love, we cultivate resilience and fortitude, empowering ourselves to weather the storms of life with grace and resilience. Change, though often daunting, heralds the dawn of new beginnings and boundless possibilities. Love, with its unwavering presence, guides us through the tumultuous seas of transformation, anchoring us to the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Embracing change is not merely an act of acquiescence but a testament to our capacity for growth and evolution. In the crucible of love, patience and understanding emerge as steadfast companions, guiding us through the labyrinth of human emotions. Patience, like a gentle breeze, soothes the tempestuous waters of discord, fostering harmony and reconciliation. Understanding, a beacon of empathy, bridges the chasm between hearts, forging bonds that withstand the test of time. The best way to display love is the willingness to perfect oneself to show up as a better person to your loved ones. As torchbearers of love and change, we embark on a journey of collective transformation. Together, we have the power to ignite the flames of compassion and understanding, illuminating the darkest corners of the world with the radiance of love. Let us unite in our mission to spread love far and wide, sowing the seeds of hope and renewal in the fertile soil of our shared humanity. Thank you for embarking on this voyage with us. Together, let us continue to nurture the virtues humanity perception on love and change, ensuring that they flourish and thrive in the hearts of all. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.